with you. First and foremost, I want to say shout out. Yo, I want to say go to my trading view. Yeah. Yo. Yeah. Yeah. Where was you? Hell no, the mic can't be on. As you can see, I post long-term ideas. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. Been around since 2020. Doing it for years. And I'm trying to get better. You can find my YouTube up here, which I am live. I'm following. Yeah. What was I gonna do? So today was a good day. So you could have bought right here, buys right here, to here, buys. It's 3 buy points you will want to get. So as you can see, we was in this range of market. Today we could have bought right here. That's what I was looking to buy at. As you can see, we was in this buy area zone. We marked our price. So let's do this from the get-go. I don't know what the hell I want to do. All right, we're going to delete this. Just delete it. So this is what we do. So so we go to the 15. Let's just replay price. So this is what we did today, and how I look back. I'm gonna explain it to y'all. So I don't really want to do this, but I'm gonna just look back and see what I see to y'all. So for US 30, want to enter the sell, the buy. So what can you see? A breakout, so points. So it broke out here. Points it might come back to. These just points I think market might come back to. You got this right here. So before 7, you just drawing out points. So you got buys then. I like this one. So we just looking for buys. So look, if you just put it across, look at that. Look at that. So I'm just looking at points where price look like it's good. So right now we're in buy. So as you can see, we in buy. So all we want to do is buy today. So points of interest is where I mark my lines at, and then you can do any strategy you really want to do, but you have to get your points of interest where I feel like it's just the best opportunity to trade, basically. So I look at early in the morning, wake up, do my points of interest, where price is either ranging or it's like a major support. As you can see, I don't want to go back too far, but I do respect these. So as you can see, it breaks out from here. I have this little thing for today, so I push it a little bit above. I'll push this a little bit above, but I'm just showing you that price did hit areas of here, but I'm gonna push it for this. I'm drawing this from today. I'm drawing this from yesterday, and at most it broke out from here. I like this price right here too. I like when range areas break out. So like it comes in here, it comes out. If it comes here, it goes here. But if it goes here, there's a nice areas of buy. So these are my points of interest. Like I said, before the day even start, I already said I 2-0 today. This is what I thought of today. So here's my points of interest. I want to buy the dips, and my bias is just buy. So as you can see, my bias was buy today. Overall, you might say we in a dip, but I just look at it as a long-term trend, and like you gotta think about lower lows, and it come down. So even if it come down to here, I'm willing to buy back up. So yeah. So as you can see, 7 o'clock. These my points of interest. So what I'll do is put a little alerts here. Put alerts at my purple area. So I put my alerts. So I'll wait. So boom. Let's just put the alerts and let the day go by. So boom. I really don't want to buy here because price finally breaking out. So I'll come up. So either you got two type of entry. Something if it breaks out from here to here. I don't know. The stop loss is kind of tight. So probably like something like right here to here. I don't really like the stop loss because it doesn't hit stop loss. Don't get me wrong. But that would be one. My other one I used to enter was the 3-tone, but like this. So 3-tone. It could come back up. This is a good area. It never happens. Or this is a good area right here. And it did happen, but it would have took that L. So once it breaks out from here, there's a good one. So there's either two type of entries you can enter from here. I like this one better because once it comes here, your stop loss can be like something like, sorry. The stop loss can be something like, I won't even make it too big to be honest. Like some people be like, put it right here. I don't really like that stop loss. Like if it breaks from here, I really don't care. So this is a good one right here. And it was out from this ranging area. So range, it breaks out. Usually when the range break out, comes up, comes back, retest, goes up. So we're just looking for buys. And then we wait till it hit a point of interest again. So boom, it hit this point of interest. And now we wait. So it probably could come back here. What you want is something like this. Something like this. You want it to parse through. So we got this right here. Take it to here. At most. Probably like right here. I like this one. Boom. So that's like I said, nice 2-for-1. Points of interest you just like. Like I said, if you want to go through the uptrend, let it ride. Let it rock. If you want to barge through the uptrend, let it barge through the uptrend. Like let it barge through that uptrend. We could look at 5 minutes and see if we can find any better entries, as in like this is same type of entry because it comes out and then it kind of barges here, so it kind of respect this one too. So this is a clean setup. This is a clean setup. This is a clean setup. And yeah, these is clean setups right here. So boom. And now we wait again. Now we wait. Boom. It comes here. Look at price for what it is. Probably go to 1 minute. Let's see what price can do. Let me see. I don't really like none of these, to be honest. This is kind of nasty. Like I don't know. I'm gonna say enter that. So let's see. We wait. So boom. I like this one right here. So you probably can't enter this one. I don't really like it too much. Or let's see, look at the 5 minute. Yeah, we don't really see nothing in the 5. So we probably damn. I didn't know it was gonna work like that. So look, that would have been 2 good setups for today. Look at them good setups. Just look. 2 good setups. Crazy setups at that. Mark your points of interest. Mark where price have to go back at. And look at that. It's just simple as that. Just look for your strategy. And like people say strategies, man, my strategy is cooked. It's not even that the strategy is cooked. You have to use a little bit of market structure. If it's in a range of market, you have to understand this in a range of market. All right. So look, that's 3 for 3. US 30 was clean. US 30 was very clean today. And like I said, I probably would have been done because I don't have no more points of interest. These are my points of interest. I mark it up in the morning. Bada bing, you mark up your points of interest in the morning. You know, from here, price has to go here. I know price hit here a couple of times. You can take it up to here, but for safety routes, you take it up to here. You take price here to here. Like I said, you don't want to be greedy. You don't want to be greedy. You always mark up your points of emphasis. Even if you have a strategy, see where the market is going. Like people be like, my strategy don't work. Man, your strategy probably do work, or like you would try to trade your strategy and we're in the uptrend. Don't get me wrong, but when the market is too high, it's just like you can't really like say I'm trying to buy here. Yes, it can go, but you want to buy in an uptrend when it's dipped down. Like you see how it's dipped down here. My bias today was just a buy. 30 is in this ranging area. Is going up. Overall, I think this is a buy. Like you see, overall it's a buy. I'm waiting patiently for good buys. So once I seen this breakout, I knew it was time. It comes here. I do a little. If it breaks out from here, I at least got to touch my take profit from here because it's in its range and market. What I've noticed over and over and over and over these years, market break out from this range, and don't get it twisted. You have to understand the market, have a good strategy, and understand market structure. And I swear, it's like chef's kiss. Instead of some people was like, man, I got a cold strategy. I know some people I talk to, they just do strategy. Like they'll trade their strategy in anything. Like, don't get me wrong, it could be profitable. But you'd be like, next month, you'd be like, why it's not profitable? Because you have to understand the market. Like, people was like, any strategy works, to be honest. But I just believe in buying low and selling high. Like, if we in a dip, it's just a better chance I can take better profits, longer profits, and it's just better areas. So I wouldn't want to buy in a high unless you just, like I said, and you might can buy in a high. I'm not too sure, but I just know what works for me is buying, waiting to get to a certain area and then buying. Like this day, right here, I'm showing right here on my keyboard. I sell. I would have been straight selling. So my points with interest would have been here, like here, here, like here, 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 and these two. It'd be the same points. So I would sell. Price got up to here, I probably would have sold. If price got to where else? I said right here. Waked up, came back down. I probably would have sold to right here. So it does follow in the. But this day I was willing to buy. It's in this ranging area. I even used the EMA a little bit. But like say, like, all right, EMA, I'm buying here. Market too high, I'm done. I'm done. Stop buying. So let's say if I want to sell, but so say where to sell. If market is sold past the EMA, like say market is all the way up here, I am not buying. Look how far it is. Let it retrace a little bit. Once I seen this big drop, I'm like, okay, let me attack the market. Let me attack the market. So I just really just look for dips. Like when it's high, I just leave the market alone. And look, when it's high, I leave the market alone. So come here, buy. Come here, buy. Come here. I probably wouldn't have had took this one. I only took two, remember? So this is my real one for today. I'm look, same type areas. Same areas. Same areas. I didn't even look. Same areas. I noticed repetition. Same areas. So I took two setups. This one right here. Oh no, I deleted it. Damn, I deleted it. I took this one right here today. Yeah, I took two setups. This one right here today. I'm shocked that I didn't take this one. I'm mad. Why do I got it up there though? I didn't even trade yesterday. Hey, surprise! I probably deleted it. I hate. So this one is my study one. So I just go back and study. As you see, 30 did good. So like I said, we could go back on another one. We're gonna delete all of this. Like we're gonna delete all of this. Let's just delete it. So boom. So let's see. So gold. Gold, I'm looking for sales. Sales is at this little support area. Maybe, like I said, sometimes you have to understand your market structure. I'm looking for sales, strictly sales. So before 7 o'clock at the market open, I'm gonna just put my where I want price to go and just put alerts there and just wait. I'll just wait it out. So where I think price on go, um, I like I kind of like here too, and I probably just wait. So boom, let's go to the 5 minute. Like I said, I want a sale, so I'm looking for sales. So boom, I'll just wait. Like so, even if it dropped down, you be like, "Oh, I'm missing it." No, you're not missing. Hold on, hold on. Just set your alerts, baby. Just wait till your alerts kick in. If it don't kick in, you just don't trade for the day. So boom, there's your first one right here. So what I'm looking at, I come down. Let me see. I come down. Let me see. I come down. You see how I come down from here? Boom, boom. So I'm looking for sales. So I'm looking for sales right now. So boom, what I want to see the market do, I probably draw a little areas where I think market is gonna come back in, and I want it to flow back down. You feel me? Oh shit, what's good, my boy? My boy. Damn, I probably locked in. I couldn't see no comment. But shit. Like I said, I wait for price. This how I used to trade. I used to win like this. Just wait for price to hit my areas. And then I'm selling to the next joint. That's it. Just get my lines in place. So I'm waiting. I'll just be patient. Boom. And if it don't come back down, I don't really give a fuck. So boom. Like say I sell. So boom. So even if it don't work, it just don't work. But you see at 30, I killed it today on 30. I ain't even entered gold. So gold, like I said, I got strictly sales, and so I'll go to the 15. Point of interest for me will probably be like right here. Probably a little bit. I'll bring it up a little bit. Like right here. I like this point right here. I love this point right here. What's good, my boy? So, boom. I'll speed past it. Hold up. We almost tap stop loss. We probably do tap stop loss though. But boom, we tap stop loss. All right, we cool. Would have said this. I used to do the high RR. That's how I used to trade. Probably take a little profit and just let the rest run. Right now, I'm trying to bring my. I ain't trying to bring my shit back from the dead, but I'm about to buy a new one. I was gonna buy a new one this week, but I started winning my old shit. What I'm at, I think, because I was almost at 8%. I'm at -5%, but I'm a buy a new one. I just wanted to, fine tune what I was doing wrong and shit. Like instead of just that 1 minute bullshit, I'ma just wait for my areas. Like how man, you do this shit, same shit. Just wait to hit your areas to buy and sell. I was trying to do some quick shit. I'm trying to go back to old reliable real quick, see that it worked, and then I'm gonna go back to what's it called? I'm gonna go buy another challenge. But my crypto going up though. Crypto going up. Fucking, I ain't gonna lie. I put $500 in Boom. I'm almost at 1,500. So I'm gonna just take 1,000 out of that shit, and I'm gonna just buy a challenge. That bonk shit, That shit, I be telling niggas buy crypto. I bought that bunk shit. Like, I don't even remember when I bought it. I think I bought it in like March or April. I bought it in like April or March when everything was just down. Now that jump almost up 20%. Yeah. So like there's another one right here. Another one. I don't really like this one. Let it go up. So boom. I like how this look. Yeah, I'm liking how this is looking. You want it to smash through though. Like let it come up and then smash through. Like how I used to do it. And then just be patient, man. So let it come. Just let it just be patient. All right, boom. Be patient. I'll let it come back. If it don't come back, just let it boom. We enter. We got action. So boom. You gotta see where you want your stop loss at. But I'm dragging it to down here. Points of interest. Oh, this is a good stop loss, low key. Like right here is a good stop loss. Cause man, I'm not putting it at the tip top. I'm just not. This is a good stop loss. So I probably would have did some shit like this. And boom, I would have stopped out. Damn, this shit making me look bad. Look at 30 gold. I'm at 30. I was going crazy. And now, what was my next point of interest? So my next point of interest is probably to sell here, or I probably just rushed it and this probably is going to drop. So, like I said, let's see, might drop. Let's see. So boom. Let's see, 5 minute. This is a nice spot right here. Let it come up and then smash back. This is a nice one right here too. Come down, smash down, come to here. Everything he probably missed though. Hell yeah. Hey, look, this is gonna come. But we could probably be patient. Boom. We got action. Hell yeah, we got action. So what I'm looking for, I'll probably take one more. Probably something like this. Probably take something like this. If it does come down, boom, look at this. Oh my God. Look at this. And then I'm gonna just take some profits once it run down, like I used to. So boom. If it goes up, it just goes up. So boom. I probably set an alert. So our next point of interest. So boom. Probably do a little entry right here. Probably raise it up. Probably raise it up. See where it's taking me. Damn. So I'll probably be done. I'd have been done, man. And now this would have been my next point of interest because I'm done fucking with the market. It's just choppy. Or I could have just been wrong biased. Like, but I would have sold though. Damn sure, right? I would have sold. It just didn't work. I was thinking of selling. Hell yeah, I would have sold. I ain't even mad at this. And then 30, you see, 30 did me good today. I was just buying with it. Yeah, I gotta wake up early for that shit. I do want to start trading live. Here's what I'm gonna do because I could start anytime. I probably could start like trade like a live for like a hour. Trade live for like an hour. Hold on real quick. Oh shit! I gotta restart my shit. Hold on. All right, let's go. Damn. All right. My tripping. All right, so for Nas was already looking. Nas probably like 30 today. Nas was probably like 30. You already see the points. I see somewhere like right here. Yeah, I told you that crypto, bro. I got, bro, my boom shit almost up 200%. I only put 500 in it though. I ain't gonna lie, my fucking what's it called? Boom. Shiba. I bought Shiba. That shit back at break even. That shit I've been holding that joint since like the beginning of this year. Back at break even. I put a band in that joint. And then those just chilling. Like I said, bro, I really believing in crypto. Crypto going to double my money up real quick. Like as long as I think it's just about patience, man. That's what I have to learn in this game. If y'all just wait, I don't even care. Niggas be like, I made this much money, bro. If it take me 6 months to double my money, I'm cool, bro. That's how I look at it. Buy crypto when it's low and hold that bitch. Buy crypto when it's low, hold that shit. So these just my points of interest where I like to buy at. That crypto is booming. So I just put the alerts here. Y'all know me. Alert. So boom. First alert. I probably look to buy. I probably would have bought this shit. I probably would have bought it. So boom, boom, boom. Nah, I ain't gonna buy it. XRP. Let's see. I don't fuck with XRP. But let me see. We're gonna come back to this. I don't. Damn, okay. Oh, come on. That's XRP. Damn. Damn. Let me see what it is today. Bro, I don't know. It's like XRP. It's like the thing about XRP, man. I be telling y'all niggas, bro, get in that, bro. Just throw some money in crypto. That's what I do, bro. I've been doing that shit since last year. When that Doge made me about nine bands, I said, fuck it, bro. I'm gonna just keep doing this shit. Those made me 9 bands, went to 48 cents. I said, bro, I learned from last time. Give me that shit. Give me that shit. And then I don't like XRP because I always thought XRP was going to drop one more time. Like back to down to $1. I always thought XRP was going to drop one more time. I was scared to buy XRP. I'm like, I'm not fucking with XRP. I'm not saying XRP ain't good. I just didn't like this shit. Like once it did this range up, I wanted to see that shit pull back. If it ever do pull back though, I'll buy it. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Facts. Like, let me see. I'm only in what 4 cryptos. Dogecoin. Like, this is my first entry for the salon shit I drew up. I entered that right down here. Once it hit this shit, somewhere around here, it's about to double. It's about to double. I ain't put that much in salon. I ain't put like 500. I'm about to make 1,000. Like I said, bro. all the crypto I'm making now, I could make money off of. These just points I wanted to buy again. I was gonna buy right here again. I just drew up points I'm just gonna buy and just say I don't give a fuck and just hold. Bitcoin, I'm not fucking with Bitcoin. What is it? Shiba? I'm in Shiba too. Shiba and Bonk. So Shiba, this is why I bought that Shiba. Now I bought it oh, I bought this shit up here, bro. I bought another one up here too. Down here. I ain't bought too much. I bought like 200. It's coming back up. It's coming back up. But I bought a 500. Yeah, this is the beginning of the year. I bought about 500 right here, bro. What about 500? I'm like, man, this shit about to fly up. But I know it's gonna come back here, so I'm not really tripping. All the crypto going crazy. I'm like, damn. And then I just forgot about this shit. And then what's the other shit called? Bonk. Damn. I don't even know what this shit called. I don't know what's it called. I don't know what's this new shit. Let me see. BONK, yeah, BON. I don't think they got it up here. Oh, yes, they do. Like, come on, look at the bomb, bro. I bought this shit around here. I said, fuck you. Come on, bro. I told him I'm about to double my shit. I bought it around I bought it like around right here, bro. Matter of fact, I'm about to draw up. I bought the bump down. I told you I just buy crypto when niggas don't want to talk about it. I bought this shit like right here. I said, bro, like right here. It was around April, y'all. Around April, I said, fuck you. I bought it like right here. And look at that joint. If it go back, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't about to be greedy. I'm about to take a band out of it. Cause I put 500 in it. It's about to triple. I'm gonna take a band out and I'm gonna just let the rest float. I'm gonna let the rest float. If it come back to break even, I don't give a fuck. I made a band. Taxes, 700. But yeah, man, this bunk shit, man. You should. I ain't believing this shit either, but I'm like, it's just so damn low. I just buy it. If I just lose to 500, which I really never lost in crypto. I ain't going front. It's like the random cryptos, I'm just not buying. Like, I wanted to buy a Doge one more time. I ain't gonna lie, right here, this 13. I was gonna buy my biggest Doge. I was gonna probably put like probably like 3 bands in this bitch and just hold it for like 2 years. I believe in Doge. I honestly do. Like if it came down to like if it come to 13 before it spikes up, I'm buying 3 bands of Doge and I'm just holding it. I'm gonna hold it till I get 20K. Nah, I ain't gonna hold it till I'm gonna hold it till I get like 10K, take out like 5, and then just hold the rest. I'd be like, at least I made 2K, hold the rest. That 5K could turn into fucking 50. So I do believe in Doge. Doge gonna hit like $2 one day. But yeah. I'm telling y'all, the Doge gonna hit $2. You buy like 3 bands of that, I'm good. All right. Now what was we was looking at Nas. We go back to Nas. The fuck was I looking at Nas? Shit. What was that? Nas right here. Well, Nas probably would have bought. Boom, boom, boom. I see strong buying. Probably would have bought this. Stop loss somewhere like right here. TP. Woo, hold up. I probably don't even have a TP. Yeah, low key, I wouldn't even have a TP. I don't really like any of price up here. Let's go to high time frame. Let's see. At most, I wouldn't make this my TP. At most, maybe just here because it's at a higher high. But at most, I probably just do a 3-to-1. Like, I don't really see no, like, don't get me wrong, it can hit here, but I just don't see it going there. No, I do see it going there. It's just maybe not, Like, I do like something like this. That's cool. Boom. You see how it hit? Comes up. Almost hit stop loss. Almost hit stop loss. Like I said, I made the TP a little good though. That's a good That's a good stop loss. I wouldn't have made it too damn close, but this is a good. I probably would have did like right here. Yup. But damn, dude. This shit come up to him. Look, it might look. Oh, it didn't though. It did. It did. Let me see. So that another point of interest again. Let's see. We might make some money if we just follow. If I'm looking at structure, comes up, I'll be thinking this is ranging. I'll probably pull it up to here. Hell yeah. Let's see. It comes back. 1 minute. Let's see. Let's go to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yeah. Shit. Yeah, it probably just one entry for the day. Cause after this, yeah, damn. Yeah, it ain't nowhere else you can enter, low key. And then this, I'm gonna just draw my setups for tomorrow. So look, for tomorrow, I got it buying. But I need a drop. If it don't drop, I'm not buying. I'm not buying this shit whatsoever if it don't drop. If it don't drop, I'm not buying this shit whatsoever. I need to see a drop. It might drop hard and then come back up. It is Friday. I want to see a drop first. Or I want to see how the market looks in the morning. Depends on my jump. But overall, I might buy 30 look good today. Let's see 30 look good. Gold, that shit would have fucking killed me. Because look, I would have been selling and then not winning anything. You right. I'm about to just start saying fuck gold. Fuck gold. Fuck it, bro. I'm really about to say fuck gold. Like I would have sold this day. But look how wrong I probably would have been. I would have sold this day. I just want to draw this shit. So boom. Boom, it comes here. Okay, I probably would just never trade it. Because look. Nah, I would have probably entered from here. Come down here. Ooh, it might have worked. Hold up. This shit might have worked. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see. Maybe. Nah, I wouldn't have. Maybe I would have sold. Nah, I probably wouldn't have sold. Maybe this one. Like from this shit to here, comes here. It does. There's a good TP right here. And then comes back up. Yeah, gold been killing me, bro. Like 1 month, like the first month, it won't been 30. It was gold. Gold was fucking winning like I think gold was just winning like shit. That shit was just going in one direction. Yeah, I probably would have lost this one. I would have sold. It went up. So I would have sold again today. And low key, I might sell tomorrow. Like gold is in this spot where you really don't know what you really want to do with it. Like today, like this day, I probably want to have bought to like right here. Like this was just good. Like maybe I wouldn't have sold this shit. I ain't gonna lie. I probably wouldn't have sold. I would have sold these two though. Sold these two like 30 today. I would have just bought this. Which one I bought? This and this one. That's it. I ain't gonna lie. Just these two. I wouldn't have bought this one. Nas. Oh, it was only one to buy. It was this one, and it was a good area. Like sales today. Like, ooh, this would have been a good sale. Bah. To like right here. And it went down in here. Yes, sir. But like I said, I'm probably get another challenge, bro. I don't really give a fuck. I probably just buy. I don't know. I probably buy 50 or 100K. I'll probably take out this boom for $1,000. Buy. It's only worth $500. Man, yeah, buy $500. Call in the shop, getting fixed up and shit. That's why I want to take out the band, get my check, pay half of it with the crypto on the shop, getting a little fixed up. But yeah, that's it. But now I want to go live. If you really trying to, I can go live in I want to make a promise to go live if I get my call back next week. Get everything situated, and you gotta go live with me in the morning. I'm gonna just go live for like an hour though. Then I probably gotta head to work. But other than that, I want to pass it. I need to get some more money. It's like the crypto paying me, but it's like a nigga really want. I want like 10K a month. Shit, 20, like at least 10K a month for this shit. I go to oil field, man. I was supposed to be on that shit, bro. I'm about to go to oil field with your ass, man. Fuck that. I'm about to just work. I could throw it in what stocks, crypto, shit. I'm gonna just do that. That was my goal. I just want to stack up like 40K. Shit, I'm putting 30 in that shit. Bro, like I said, I was trying to put my head down. My lease almost up. They talking about you sign another one? Hell no. I do the month to month. I don't want to sign another one. Bro, I'm telling you, I might. Shit, if you really talking that oil field make money, shit, if I could make 3K a week, if you telling me I can make 3, bro, send me out there next month. Shit. I'm going to just work for like 5 months. Fuck it. Work for 5 months. If I can make 3K every week. 3 times 4, 12. 12 times 5, 60K. I can make what, 60K 5 months. 60. I'm putting 45 in that. That 45 is changing to at least 90. And then what, 15K I probably just leave for myself, food, shelter and shit, water. I'm trying to enjoy myself with most of that, or just other investment stuff. Other investment stuff. I want to learn how to code again, so I could do code programs and shit. I remember I used to learn how to do that. Took a class and shit in college and high school, but the school supposed to be starting up. But I'm like, man, I really just want to get the money, bro. Because everything I can learn in school, it's like I want to make the money first, bro. It's like I really want to make the money. It's like, man, you could school do start, but I'm like, man, if I get this money, so I could just count. I want to compound my account. That's all I wanted to do. That's why I was leaving this shit. I said, bro, I just want to compound this shit, bro. Just compound. And then after I compound, then that's when the school was going to start. Like, all right, I could do what I really want to do. But shit, man. Yeah, man. If I be thinking long term, I'ma just like if I was you and you already get that check, man, that money and the stocks, man, I'll just be like, let me thug it out for like 6 months, a year, make that 100K, and then do what you gotta do. That's what I'll do. But I'll probably just keep going live and shit. Keep doing it. I still keep doing this shit though. Because one day this shit probably gonna blow up. But other than that, I wanna know how to compound this shit. But nah, I wanna pass I'm gonna pass the challenge first too though. That's gonna show me I'm a certified trader. I passed it I'm a challenge 3 times, but yeah. That's I'm gonna look up, man. So I'm supposed to be going back to the school shit, but if y'all give me, if I'm gonna go back on the ship or give me that job that's gonna give me 3K a month, shit, let me just do that for 6 months. I'll put my head down, compound my money, then go to school, have money while I'm at school, and then make more money while doing this YouTube shit, and TikTok shit and everything. I'll be good. Let me go back on my code and shit too. But look, I got the calendar back there. I'm gonna go live every week next week. I'm gonna have to wake up though. I'm gonna set my alarm 7. It's like at 7. That's like I ain't really gonna. I'm gonna just set alerts though. 7. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do. Fuck it. At 7, I ain't gonna go live for long. I'm gonna just like do my setups. Like, hey, what I'm looking at, what direction I think the market is going, da 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 da. I do that at 7. I don't know how long that's gonna last, but then I go live. I just go live in the evening for review. But real time, I should do that. So I probably go live all next week. But look, I'm gonna tap out for the day. Usually I do it like an hour, but I'm gonna tap out for the day. I usually don't go live Friday, but shit, I don't know what's gonna happen. I probably ain't gonna go live. I don't be having nothing else to do except study this shit, learn how to make this money, code it and shit. All right, my boy. Hey, I'm gonna hit you tomorrow. Shit, fuck it. I'm gonna hit you. Get up out of here.